I'm your teacher, science teacher. My name is Maria Ahmed. At the end of the lesson, all of you should know the hardness of the rock, permeability of the rock, and the relating hardness and the permeability of the rocks and uses of rocks relating to its hardness and permeability. What is hardness of rocks? Hardness of rocks is a way of describing how easy or how difficult it is to scratch the mineral. Hardness of a mineral is its ability to withstand the scratches. Rocks have different characteristics or properties. For example, they have different hardness and permeability. Examples are some rocks are hard while others are soft. If a piece of a granite can scratch a piece of a marble, what does this tell you about the two rocks? What does this mean? What you think about this? Obviously, it will tell us that the rock which scratched the other rock is harder as compared to the other rock which is scratched by the other. With the help of the Mohs scale, we can find out the hardness of the rocks. Is a list which start from the dark and enter the diamond. Dark has the hardness number of the 1, it means it is the softer one. And the diamond which has the scale number of 10 is the hardest one. So means as the number will increase, hardness will increase. Now what is the permeability of rocks? Permeability is a property of a porous medium that measures the ability of the formation to transmit fluids. It's the measure of the ease with which the rock will permit the passage of fluids. Can rocks transmit water? Yes. If a rock has a pore space water can pass through, this is referred to as the permeability. In some cases, a rock may contain pore space but not be permeable. An example of a non-sedimentary rock that has a pore space is pumice. The amount of the water and the movement of the water beneath the surface of the ground is directly related to the porosity and permeability of the rock. It means if a rock is more porous, then it has the greater permeability. It will allow more water to pass through it. Its permeability differs among rocks. Permeability differs greatly among rocks. Loose rocks such as gravel and sand have the permeability, and the larger grains will have larger pore spaces, and the finer grains of the rocks the less permeability and porosity the rock has, and some rocks have pores but the pores are not connected at all. Pumice is an example of such a rock, and the limestone is not a porous rock but it have many cracks that make this rock permeable. Relating hardness and permeability of rock. Following table compares the hardness and permeability of different rocks. Here it is. Granite, we have the rocks granite, limestone, marble, and slate. Granite is hard. Yes, it is hard. Is it permeable? No. It means granite is hard rock and it is not permeable. Limestone, is it hard? No, it's not hard. Is it permeable? Yes, it is permeable. Marble, is it hard? No. Is it permeable? No. Slate, is it hard? No. Is it permeable? No. Can you tell me which of these rocks are suitable for building a fountain and why? You have the written work. Which rocks are suitable for building of a fountain? Give examples of impermeable rocks. Why slate is used for roof? Why is it easier to carve a marble? And give one use of permeable rocks.